Hello, today we will guide you through how to spotlight everyone on Zoom. To begin, open the Zoom app on your computer. Make sure the application is fully loaded so you can access the main home screen. If Zoom takes a moment to start, just wait until all the options appear clearly before moving on. Once you are on the home screen, click on New Meeting. This will launch a meeting window and bring you into your Zoom session. Starting a new meeting is important here because it gives you access to the viewing controls you need in order to adjust how participants appear on screen. After the meeting opens, look toward the top right area of the Zoom window. You should see a view selector that lets you switch between different layouts, such as speaker view or gallery view. This area controls how meeting participants are displayed, so it is the place you will use to show everyone more clearly on screen. From that view selector, click on Gallery. Gallery view is a layout that displays multiple participants at once instead of focusing only on the active speaker. If your goal is to make sure everyone is visible in a broader group layout, this is the key setting to choose. It is especially helpful in team meetings, classes, or group discussions where you want a fuller view of the room. Next, on one of the participant video tiles, look for the three-dot menu. This is usually found when you hover over a person's video panel. The three dots open additional viewing options for that participant. Take your time here because these controls can be small and easy to miss if you move too quickly. When the menu appears, click on Pin. Pinning keeps that selected participant visible in a fixed position on your screen, regardless of who is speaking. This can be useful when you want to keep someone in focus while still managing your overall meeting view. As a quick tip, Gallery View helps you see multiple people at once, while Pin lets you keep one participant emphasized on your own screen. If you are following these steps to improve visibility during a meeting, using both settings together can make the layout easier to follow. That's it. You have now opened Zoom, started a meeting, changed the layout to Gallery View, and used the participant menu to pin a video. This should help you create a clearer and more organized meeting view in Zoom.